They say when one door closes, another opens. But the truth is, sometimes the space between those two doors feels endless, dark, and unbearable. And yet, it's in that darkness where courage is born and where new light begins to shine. Amir had been married for nearly 10 years. In her country, divorce was more than a personal choice. It was a scandal. Women were expected to stay silent, to endure, no matter the pain. But silence was killing her. The arguments, the disrespect, the loneliness. It was like her soul was locked inside a shrinking room. When Amira asked for a divorce, everything collapsed. Her family was furious. Relatives whispered. She became the woman who failed. For months, she carried that label like a heavy chain. She moved to another city with nothing but two suitcases and an ocean of fear. There were nights she cried herself to sleep, asking if she had ruined her life. But slowly, a new life began. Amira found work as a receptionist at a small language school, answering phones, greeting students, typing reports. It wasn't glamorous, but it was hers. From there, she saved, she learned, she grew. Within a year, she was teaching basic English. On her first day in the classroom, her voice shook, but the students listened. And in their eyes, she saw something she hadn't felt in years: respect. Years later, Amira became the coordinator of that very school. Independent, respected, free. She was no longer the woman who failed. She was the woman who survived, the woman who rebuilt. When that marriage ended, it felt like the end of Amira's world, like a door slamming so hard it left her standing in the dark. But it was also the beginning of a new story, one she could write on her own terms. Sometimes life closes a door not to punish us, but to push us towards something greater. The hallway in between may feel endless, but if you keep walking, you'll find light again. So if you're facing a closed door right now, a job, a dream, a relationship, don't lose hope. You're not stuck. You're not finished. You're simply in the hallway. And the next door, your door, is already waiting for you.